It's a 321.25 with a prize time claw machine. It's a professional version, and the word is prize time. And this Trac thing stopped working, and I connected this Trac into here one day, and after I did that, this whole unit can only come up to here. So now I noticed that it was actually removed for a purpose. So now I got some of these, basically the kinds of stuff you get in a grocery store, and then I just connected it. I separated it with a screwdriver. One of those flathead screwdrivers, I just poked it in here and pry it off and got that out. So now it looks like the whole unit can go now, back and forth, all the way to the end. There it goes. And then it will go back like that. All right, hopefully it will come out and put a quarter in, it works.